Good afternoon and welcome back on this Monday. Thankfully, the rain has stopped falling. The snow has stopped. There's still a few flurries out there, but people are taking a breath and enjoying some quieter weather. You can see the breeze is still quite gusty in the Grand Forks area, but things are quieting down. Here's a video that was sent in around the south side of Mayville. We showed you earlier that pizza shop that was flooding. Thank you, Jacqueline, for sending this one in. Absolutely devastating flooding conditions across the region as those river levels are rising. This was sent in yesterday north of Clearbrook, Minnesota. County Road 11 being washed out by those floodwaters. And I want to use this as a reminder. Do not drive through flooded waters. Do not walk through flooded roadways. We have been receiving way too many photos and videos of people walking and driving through those flooded roadways, people swimming. Do not do that. You don't know how deep that water is. 18 to 24 inches of fast moving water can carry away an SUV in a larger vehicle. And the fact is, you don't know how deep that water is. You don't know if that road has been washed out underneath it. 12 inches of fast-moving water can carry away a smaller car, and 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock over and carry away a full-grown adult. So turn around, don't drown. Here's another reason why you don't want to go through those flooded waters, and a good reason why you want to slow down. Here's a recent snapshot along Highway 75 near Climax, Minnesota. You can see those roads are looking icy. There's a little bit of snow and ice in the ditch, and the ditch filled with water. You don't want to slide off of that icy road and end up in a ditch full of water. There have been way too many reports as of late of that happening. Temperatures today are below freezing anywhere to the north of this white line, which is the freezing line. So temperatures are in the 20s and low 30s, which one, it's a little bit of good news, helping to slow down the flow of that overland flooding. But two, bad news because roads are icy, and if you're traveling at a high rate of speed and lose control, you might end up in that flooded ditch. Winds, they're still breezy today. Not quite as windy as we were yesterday, but we're gusting to 35 miles per hour in Fargo and Grand Forks, gust to 30 miles per hour in Jamestown, 26 miles per hour in Detroit Lakes. We are seeing some sunshine in parts of the Devil's Lake Basin and James River Valley and points off to the west. Most of us, though, across our region are going to stay cloudy for today. The breeze will gradually taper off as we head into tonight, but the first half of our day still quite windy. And we can't rule out some areas of flakes and flurries, quick snow showers across northern Minnesota, but accumulation is going to be very minimal, if any. So let's take a look now at your 7-day planner, where temperatures will be warming up a bit. 42 Tuesday, 50 Wednesday with breezy conditions. And then we're looking at the potential for more precipitation, primarily in the form of rain for this weekend. Phoenix, it looks like we could see widespread, potentially half an inch, if not more, moisture. So that's something we're keeping a very close eye on as we look ahead to next weekend.
Something to take very serious out there. Take it nice and slow today. And also, if you see a flood, don't go.
Absolutely. Yes.
So, absolutely.